All right, team, this is Charles Becco from Brooklyn Traders, and today we are going to be talking about the most important charts in the stock market today. This is just going to be a very wild and very important market update, and I cannot wait to talk to you about that. All right, so the first chart we're going to look at is going to be the QQQ. And team, I have no fun way to say this, but man, I see the Qs going all the way down here to 240, 235 QQQ, testing the pandemic breakout level. And why am I saying that? Because this monthly chart looks ugly and it has not improved. I guess if you want to take a look at the futures here, because my Q chart looks nasty, but yeah, this is a certified downtrend. I believe we're going to come all the way down here. Definitely 9,000 on the Qs and lower, okay? And we do have open gaps all the way down here at these levels, right? So if you look at the chart here, all of these lines here are open gaps on the chart, and I do anticipate them to be filled within the next, well, I don't know when these gaps are going to be filled, right? But I do anticipate for us to be at 235, 240 QQQ within the next 3 to 8 months. All right, the next head on our three-headed dragon is going to be Amazon. And team, I have no polite way to say this, but man, I think we're coming all the way down here. First to 80, then to 65. 65, 70. These are our downside targets on Amazon. The next head on a three-headed dragon. And I'm looking for this to be within the next 3 to 5 months, erasing all of the pandemic COVID gains. Yeah, this chart just doesn't look good. That is Amazon. The next head on our three-headed dragon is going to be GOOG. And team, again, I see this doji here printing out in the monthly time frame. But we got all types of gunshots happening here. I mean, just like the other two, monthly MACD cross down, negative histogram, and we are squeezing downwards. The next target within the next 3 to 5 months is going to be 80, 75, and 70 on Google. That is the final head on our three-headed dragon. Charts we're looking at. Looking at Tesla here, I mean, you see the histogram is going negative here. We also have the 8 passing under the 21 here on Tesla. Also, the histogram is kind of expanding to the downside. And when this squeeze actually fires down, I mean, I'm thinking we want to go down to the monthly 50, which is going to be somewhere around 137 here on Tesla. Again, I'm looking at 150, 137 within the next, I'd say, 5 to 10 months here on Tesla. I do believe this head and shoulders pattern is going to complete. I do believe we will crack 200. And yeah, Tesla looks bad, but it's still hanging on by a thread. The final chart worth looking at is going to be SPY. I know we had a big bounce today, but I don't think it matters. This monthly chart looks ugly. I mean, we have a monthly MACD cross down. We haven't had a monthly MACD cross down since like 2016, okay? We also have the histogram expanding to the downside, and we're doing that on volume on SPY. I think when all the smoke clears, I'm looking for 350 SPY and 330 within the next 8 to 10 months on SPY. And as a final bonus play, we're going to look here at Microsoft, and team, it doesn't look good. I mean, look all the way back, okay, from 2012, 2013. We haven't had a negative histogram in this entire time. Not only do we have a negative histogram, we also have a negative 8 under the 21, okay, cross down here on Microsoft, okay? And team, just in general, it's just looking nasty. I mean, these monthly charts look disgusting. I mean, we also have a histogram increasing to the downside, like for the very first time. We didn't even do that over here during the pandemic, right? And so, yeah, not only are we going to lose all these pandemic gains, we believe we will also test the pandemic lows here on Microsoft. And so, yeah, I'm looking for another $50 to $100 to the downside within the next 10 to 15 months here on Microsoft. All right, team, that's what we have here. Okay, we talked about the three-headed dragon short setup here, monthly time frame on Amazon, Google, and also the Qs that's already fully in motion. And we have taken a look at some of the other stronger names in the QQQ constituency like Microsoft, Tesla, and Apple. And of them all, Apple is still holding on. Apple is still looking strong. Apple is the one chart that is saving the market. My name is Charles Becco, and thank you so very much. This is from Brooklyn Traders. See you next time. Hey, thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. If you enjoy this content, please check out our website at www.brooklyntraders.net. That is www.brooklyntraders.net. Thanks, and God bless.